Hello everybody, it is Mindy and I am here today with a video for you. Today's video is a diamond painting video. Sometimes it's diamond painting, sometimes it's yarn and crochet, sometimes it's books. I do a variety of things on my channel. If you're new here, I hope you find some things that you will like to watch and come back and see more videos. So, who is this from today? This is from FGNORMAL. Let's get right into it and show you what we have. Let's start with the box. Why not? Fun things come in boxes. So let's see what we have. All right. They have been putting a little piece of foam in the boxes to keep these types of items from flopping around, trying to prevent them from getting broken. But mine is broken. Oh, goodness. Okay. Well, here we go. Let's see what we have. Here is our base. Our piece will go into the base. This has a film on both sides. Make sure you peel that film off. And let's see, that's just the plastic. There's a film on the back too, but as you can see, look, I have a dangler here. I have a little bit of my leaf dangling off. So even though they're, putting this little styrofoam in there, they're still jostling around in there, and sometimes these little fragile pieces are getting broken off. Now, will it really be noticeable if I take that off? Probably not. Anyhow, it's gorgeous, right? It's this beautiful dragonfly and flowers. I thought it was absolutely stunning, beautiful. But like I said, these little pieces that jet out are so easy to break. And I've gotten several that have been broken lately, and it's just the little edges like that that have broken. Anyhow, it's unfortunate. Maybe they could wrap them up in some bubble wrap and then put them in the boxes. I might suggest that to the company. And of course, the company, FGNORMAL, isn't the one packaging it. Their supplier, the manufacturer, but they can, they should talk with them and let them know they're having a few issues. Anyhow, it is so pretty. It's so pretty. Let's look at the drills for it. And I noticed that these drills have come pre-bagged. So let's look at the drills and see what we get. A lot of rhinestones, but I do see quite a few special drills. So let's see what comes with it. All right, let's do our rhinestones first. Clear, like a pale yellow, a darker yellow, green, blue, another blue, couple of oranges. That's like a smoky champagne color. Peach, another green, a pink, a purple, a light purple, another purple, another purple, some more blues, blue, teal, greens. That's almost like an olive green, a very light pink. And here's our special drills. Okay. So our special drills are the green round faceted. We have those. We have a couple of purple, just the smooth purple round. A couple of gold faceted. There's quite a few special drills here. A few pearls. What color are those? Gold. Oh, those are pretty. The gold smooth teardrops. We have some faceted clear AB teardrops and a few of these little pink marquee. Pretty. I really, really like it. I'm going to, when I reach out next time to the company, I will just say, if you could talk to the manufacturers and see if they can do a little better packaging on these acrylic pieces so that, these types of things, wherever it is, my little broken piece. Did it come off already? No, it's right there. It's this one. Because I don't think there's any way you can keep that on there. I mean, you could try maybe putting some tape on the back. I'll give it a try and see what happens. But make sure you peel your film off. And yeah, see if they can do something a little bit better with their packaging on those types of pieces. All right, here's the next thing I got. Had to try these, had to try them. You'll see why in a second. it is a set of cards. And I was super excited to get these. These are just the envelopes. Okay. All right. How many are in here? I don't even know. Okay, I don't know if there's enough envelopes. Let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 envelopes. And I believe there's 12 cards because they're monthly. Okay, how come I don't have 12 envelopes? I'm telling you, you guys, sometimes I just don't know. Anyhow, this is what they are. They're those little teacups. And if you recall, I have purchased all of the diamond paintings that are the teacups, the dessert cups as they call them. So here we have March. And what do they look like on the inside? Best wishes and a place to write. You know, they'll fold and they go in the 4 envelopes. Oh, goodness. All right, we have March. We have February. Cute, right? Super cute. January, the hot cocoa. Cute. Look at all the special drills on them. They're exactly like the dessert cup paintings, but they're on a card. And they're going to be special drills. The paintings are regular drills. Cute, right? Cool off with watermelon in August. It's July. We're having watermelon right now. June, the summer one. November, some cider. Back to school in September. Of course, we got apples for teachers, you know. The April, spring butterflies. July, land that I love, USA. And then December, the gingerbread. Cute. I love these. I've always liked the cups. Have I made any of my dessert cups? No, but I might do these. But I wish I had 8 envelopes, right? Okay. Let's look at drills. Yes, that's 2 things to put on my list. All right, 2 questions. Can't we get an envelope for each card? Like, seriously. Okay, here's our colors. Green rhinestone, lime green, couple of reds. That might be the same. Yep, same red. So they're not individually bagged, the drills for each card. You just get a whole set of drills. That's a pretty brownish red. Blues, purple, lime green, teal, pink, blue. And here's the special drills. So we have some larger gold balls. We have these pretty iridescent green faceted marquees. I love those. We have the red faceted marquees, pretty as well. Oh, then we have pink faceted teardrops, beautiful. Oh, we have pink hearts, love those, and stars. That's got some fun stuff in it, doesn't it? All right, well, that is what I got from FGNORMAL, folks. I will link the items below, and I will be chatting with my contact over there and saying, hey, let's talk a minute here. Let's just talk a second, right? We got a few things to deal with here. Anyhow, that's what I have, you guys, for you today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, I'll link them below. Yours might not come broken, okay? But clearly they need to put some more envelopes in with the cards. So we'll see about that. Okay? All right. Hit the like button, subscribe, and all those things, please, on your way out. I greatly appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.